Do you also receive a lot of leads through your lead gen applications? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how you can add new leads to Mailchimp automatically. So as a business owner, I am running some Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business. And here my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically and instantly that lead should be created as a new subscriber in my Mailchimp account. So now here to automate the entire process, I will connect my Facebook lead ads with my Mailchimp account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand how you can add your new leads to your Mailchimp account automatically without any manual effort. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics, and here I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So basically my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead should be created as a new subscriber in my Mailchimp account. So now here to build this automation, I have connected my Facebook lead ad with my Mailchimp account using an automation software. And now firstly in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply generating a test lead inside my Facebook lead ad. So to generate the test lead, we are going to use lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I've selected my page, product and the form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as first name, last name, email and the phone number. So we're going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our Mailchimp account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the email address as dummylead111@pabblytudes.com. Here you can see the first name, last name and the mobile number. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this automation by using this amazing automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Alright, now here before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So this is the Pabbly Community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and here to build a new connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and there it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So you can see two options, one is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says add new leads to Mailchimp automatically, and then it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that we are receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook lead ads and my event as new lead instant. Then you're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this continue. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, that is going to ask for the account credentials first. Once you're going to add the credentials, then automatically your account will get connected inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking for the page name and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select that particular page over here, and then it is asking me for the lead gen form. So now here to get this form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see the forms that I've already created with different names. So in this case, I'm going to use the form that I've created with the name new lead ads form. You can create your own lead ad form as per your requirement. Alright, so we're going to select the form from the drop down. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now after selecting the page name and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive the response in a simple, that means in an organized format. But here if you wish to receive the response in an advanced format, that means in an array format, then you can simply turn it off. Alright, so now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our Facebook lead ads again. So again, here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here in my lead ads testing tool by Meta, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here. And you can see it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. So now here to refreshing the window, we are going to select our page again as Digital Dynamics. Then we are going to select the product as lead retrieval and our form as new lead ads form. Then we are going to click on this preview form. Alright, so this is my lead form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as lead, email as testlead000@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, we are going to add a random phone number. Then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ads. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the first name, last name, email address, phone number, and some other details of our lead. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead as a new subscriber in my Mailchimp account. So for that, I'm going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Mailchimp. Then we're going to select app event as add new member with custom fields. Then you're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Mailchimp account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to add the token and the data center. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Mailchimp account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon. Then we are going to select account and billing. From here we are going to select extras, and here under extras we are going to select API keys. Now here in this API keys, we are going to scroll it little down. You can see some previously existing API keys of my account. And here we are going to create a new key by clicking on this create a key button. Here I'm going to give the name as new Facebook lead. And then we are going to generate the key. So this is the API key. I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now after entering the API token, it is asking me to add the data center. So to get the data center, let me take you back to my Mailchimp account, and here you can see in the path URL, this is our data center. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to add the data center. Then we're going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me to choose the audience list. So I've created a single audience list in my account with the name Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select that, and there it is asking me to add the email address and some other details. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when we're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the email address, I'm going to map the email address. Here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave them blank. Here for the status, I'm going to select subscribed. Here this interest, company and designation are not required fields. I'm going to leave them blank. Here for the first name, I'm going to map the first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. Here I'm going to map the mobile number. And here these fields are not required fields. So I'm going to leave all of them blank. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber in our Mailchimp account for the lead received through our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to move to the audience. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the email as testlead000@pabblytudes.com. Here you can see the first name, last name and the mobile number. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected a trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Mailchimp, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead will be created as a new subscriber in our Mailchimp account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add new leads to Mailchimp automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know that what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.